welcome to Mayya's Zonas. Subscribe please, I love you. Hey guys, today I'm going to open up my new toys. So my mom buy me some new toys. So I got this screen because I wanted, but I only wanted one. So let's open it. So let's all on my friends to YouTube channel. So let me open it. Mayya's Zonas. So let's open it. Wow! It's falling down. So, okay, let me move this back for a minute. So, I am going to put this. So, what you got in your toys, Mayya? I don't know. What is that? This is a cleaning. It's a cleaning. Oh, the cleaning item. Yeah. Oh, you must connect with the green one, I think. Oh. The connector is the green one. Oh, okay. Careful, careful, and slowly. Yeah. So, connect to stick. Next, connect to what is that? Broom. I think it's that one more connecting. Mayya's Zonas. Mom, help me. Okay, give me. Okay, Mom. Where's the blue and the stick that you want to. Okay, this one is connected to this. Okay. You connect the upper one. Wow! That's your broom. Later you can help me to clean up house. Look, I'm sweeping. Okay, next Mayya. Okay. Oh, I need to put this one. Slowly Mayya, careful. Yeah. Very good. Slowly. Did you? Mayya's Zonas. So my mom's done helping with the broom. So, Mom, help me! Which one did you need me to help you? Also this one, connect this one. It is mop stick. Bukan mop. That's not smop. That's mop. And then to the mop. So I got the green one. Okay, done.
And then, what did you have in your toys?
So I have max. I got for the walls. Mayya's Zonas. I got the TV and the table and the sofa and the wall. And the wall. And the wall. Mayya's Zonas. So I got some more. Then I did it with my mom and mom helped me. And I got the nyapu.
Broom.
Blue. So I got the shampoo to wipe
Ambil deh, ambil.
for the glass. And I got some sponge for the table.
Only show at the table.
Like this. And for the glass. So Mayya's Zonas. I done. Now I done with my toys. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you all.